Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to use Jasper AI to write e-commerce product ads. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So for this you need to simply go and log in into your Jasper AI. Once you are into your Jasper AI, you can use Jasper to write e-commerce product ads by leveraging its pre-built templates for platforms like Facebook, Google, and refine your brand voice. So you need to simply set up your brand voice and knowledge base. You need to define your brand voice and upload your company's knowledge. Once you have done this, you can simply log in into your Jasper and click open your templates. Once everything is sorted, you need to browse and select and provide clear and specific inputs. Once this is done, you can simply give the inputs like product name, details, key features, and benefits. After everything is clear and concise, you can generate and refine the ad copy by the help of Jasper. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.